Hello friends, in last video we have seen SDLC phases. So in this video we have to learn waterfall model. So let's begin. So waterfall model is a sequential model that divides the software development into predefined phases. Each phases must be completed before the next phases can begin with no overlap between the phases. That means waterfall model is a sequential model that phases is already defined and each phases must be completed before the next. That is, we cannot jump to another phases without completing first step. That is a sequential model. Each phases has a specific activity during the SDLC phases. Every phase has a particular activity. It was introduced in 1970s by a Winston Roy. Following are the phases of a waterfall model: requirement analysis, system design, implementation, system testing, system deployment, system maintenance. So requirement gathering. During this phase, detailed requirements of the software system to be developed are gathered from a client. In this stage, we collect all the requirements and SRS document and documentation, all these parts completed by in a requirement gathering stage. In design stage, plan the programming language, for example Java, PHP, .NET, or database like Oracle, MySQL, etc., or other high level technical details of the project. In this design stage, decide the language, decide the database, design the system architecture, and also design the all the diagrams which is required for a development process. After that, build stage, that is the coding stage. After design stage, it is a build stage, that is nothing but a coding the software. In that, software coding is done by the developer. After that, they transform the software to the testing team. This is the testing phase. In this phase, you test the software to verify that is built as per the specific given by the client. That means the validation of this stage, what are the codes is written by developer, which is tested by testers. After that, a deployment stage. In deployment stage, deploy the application in the respective environment. That means we hand over the software to the client. After that, maintenance stage. Once the software is ready to use, you may later require changes the code as per the customer requirement. That is, for any updation, maintenance stage is required. When to use the waterfall SDLC model? So in some situation we use the waterfall, that is when project is a short, requirement is clear, environment is stable, technology and tools are not dynamic. Just in previous period, VB is used for develop the waterfall model, VB language. So that's all about the waterfall model. It's not a special model, it is a sequential model. In that, we can go step by step and we can't jump to the other next step without completing the first step, and we can't go back to the stage for a changing. This is the static development process. So that's all about the waterfall model. Thank you for watching this video.